car gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. In the ever-evolving world of technology, car gadgets are at the forefront of innovation, enhancing both the functionality and comfort of our driving experiences. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or simply someone who loves their vehicle, the right gadgets can make all the difference. These ingenious devices not only improve convenience but also promote safety and efficiency on the road. Moki Ascent. The Moki Ascent is an innovative car accessory that transforms the way you use your vehicle. Designed for easy entry and exit from taller SUVs and trucks, this step provides a secure and sturdy platform. Its unique design ensures that it attaches easily to the door frame of your vehicle without causing any damage. The Moki Ascent can hold up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for all users. Its non-slip surface provides added safety, giving you confidence when climbing in and out of your vehicle. This gadget is particularly beneficial for families, seniors, or anyone with mobility challenges, as it simplifies the process of getting in and out of a higher vehicle. With the Moki Ascent, you can enjoy the benefits of your car without the struggle. Car Capsule. Protecting your vehicle from the elements is crucial, especially if you live in an area with harsh weather. The Car Capsule is an innovative storage solution that offers the ultimate protection for your car. This inflatable bubble provides a controlled environment, keeping dust, moisture, and temperature fluctuations at bay. The Car Capsule is easy to set up, with a durable outer layer that can withstand the rigors of outdoor conditions, while ensuring that your car remains in pristine condition. Whether you're storing a classic car, a luxury vehicle, or simply want to keep your daily driver safe, the Car Capsule provides peace of mind. Its unique design not only protects your investment, but also makes your garage or storage area look impressive, resembling a high-tech car showroom. Mujibik. The Mujibik is a quirky and fun car accessory that adds a personal touch to your driving experience. This unique device allows you to display customizable emoji-like images on a digital screen attached to your rear window. You can communicate with other drivers, express your mood, or simply entertain passengers with different animations. Controlled via a smartphone app, the Mujibik can showcase a variety of designs, including greetings, messages, or even artwork. This gadget is particularly great for parents, as they can display fun messages for their kids or playful signs for other drivers. Dent Puller. Accidents happen, and minor dents can occur in the blink of an eye. The Dent Puller is a must-have gadget for any car owner who wants to maintain their vehicle's pristine appearance without the high costs of professional repairs. This tool uses advanced suction technology to pull out small dents caused by hail, shopping carts, or minor collisions. The Dent Puller is easy to use, with clear instructions that guide you through the process of effectively removing dents without damaging the paint. Its compact design allows for easy storage in your glove compartment or trunk, ensuring that you're prepared for any unexpected dings. With the Dent Puller, you can restore your car's exterior and save money on repairs, making it an essential addition to your car care toolkit. Electric Car Cooling Fan. Keeping your car cool, especially during hot summer days, is essential for comfort and safety. The electric car cooling fan is a practical gadget designed to circulate air within your vehicle, preventing it from becoming an oven when parked under the sun. This portable fan can be easily mounted on your dashboard or rear window, providing a refreshing breeze while you drive or wait. With adjustable speeds and a quiet operation, it won't disrupt your driving experience. The electric car cooling fan can also help reduce the need for air conditioning, which can drain your vehicle's battery over time. By ensuring a cooler environment, you'll not only enhance your comfort, but also prolong the lifespan of your car's interior. Lenmoto Vast. For anyone who loves to travel or camp, the Lenmoto Vast is a revolutionary gadget that transforms any location into a cozy outdoor experience. This portable tent can be easily set up over your car, providing protection from the sun and rain while creating additional living space. The Lenmoto Vast features a spacious interior that can accommodate several people, making it perfect for family outings or picnics. Its lightweight design allows for easy transportation, and the durable materials ensure it can withstand various weather conditions. This gadget not only enhances your outdoor adventures, but also protects your vehicle from the elements. Hutway Drive. Navigating through unfamiliar areas can be challenging, but the Hutway Drive takes the guesswork out of driving. This innovative heads-up display, HUD, projects navigation information directly onto your windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while accessing crucial directions. The Hutway Drive is compatible with various smartphone navigation apps, providing real-time updates without the need to glance down at your phone. Its sleek design ensures it fits seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, enhancing your driving experience without distractions. Pure Enrichment PureZone Mini. Clean air is vital for a comfortable driving experience, and the Pure Enrichment PureZone Mini is an excellent gadget for ensuring the air quality in your vehicle is top-notch. This compact air purifier uses advanced HEPA filtration technology to remove allergens, dust, and odors from the air inside your car. Its sleek design fits easily into cup holders or can be placed in your center console, making it a discreet yet powerful addition to your vehicle. The PureZone Mini operates quietly, ensuring that your ride remains peaceful while effectively purifying the air. This gadget is especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory issues, as it creates a healthier environment while you drive. With the PureZone Mini, you can breathe easy knowing that you're surrounded by clean air, enhancing your overall driving experience. Macaulay Cup Holder Tray. Staying organized while driving can be a challenge, but the Macaulay Cup Holder Tray is here to help. This clever gadget is designed to fit snugly in your car's cup holder, providing additional space for your phone, snacks, and other essentials. Its unique design features compartments that keep your items secure and within reach, reducing distractions while driving. Made from durable materials, the Macaulay Cup Holder Tray is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it remains a functional part of your vehicle for years to come. Snow Mover. When winter arrives, clearing snow from your vehicle can be a daunting task. The Snow Mover is a practical gadget designed to simplify this chore, ensuring that your car is ready to go even in the harshest conditions. This innovative snow removal tool features a telescopic handle that extends to reach all areas of your vehicle, allowing you to clear snow from the roof, hood, and windows without straining. Its sturdy design ensures effective snow removal, while the lightweight materials make it easy to handle. The Snow Mover is also compact enough to fit in your trunk or backseat, ensuring you're prepared for sudden snowfalls. Easy One Touch 4. The Easy One Touch 4 is a game-changer for anyone who frequently uses their smartphone for navigation while driving. This car mount features an innovative design that allows for one-handed operation, making it incredibly convenient to secure your phone with ease. The mount is compatible with a wide range of phone sizes, ensuring that it holds your device securely while driving. Its adjustable viewing angles allow you to position your phone for optimal visibility, enhancing safety as you navigate. The Easy One Touch 4 is built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability during use. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.